I'm Jarod DeAnda. We are here at SEMA Show 2019. I'm with Brian Sherman, and we are talking about Hifonics. And you guys have a great relationship with the UTV market, and you deal with a lot of OEs. But what are the offerings for Hifonics, and specifically this new machine here?
Yeah, this is the new Teryx KRX 1000. Just came out about 3 weeks ago. This machine is pretty much a groundbreaking development for the UTV market. It's a little low on horsepower compared to some of the other offerings, but it is a beast. It comes with factory 31-inch tires. Got a really trick suspension system on it, and killer clutch system. So for rock crawlers, for guys doing some hardcore riding, it's been a super popular machine.
So from the machine standpoint, it's great, but now let's talk about what Hifonics offers, because it's new, but like I said, you have a great relationship from the OE standpoint.
Yeah, we've worked with Kawasaki for about 2 years on the development of the audio system for this vehicle. Everything from how it mounts to the vehicle to how it wires to the vehicle, how it integrates with the electrical system from the factory. It's pretty groundbreaking what we've done here as well. It includes a new color screen radio that we developed specifically for this application. That radio is paired up to a 600-watt amplifier that's mounted inside of a 12-inch subwoofer that goes in the bed of the vehicle.
Yeah.
And then that wires up to the doors, which have a 6.5-inch speaker and a factory location at the doors. The whole system takes about 3 hours to install. These vehicles, and it's all plug and play.
And that's what's great about it. You know, you working with the OEs, getting everything modeled. So for a consumer out there, it's easy. It's user friendly.
Exactly. You actually go to your Kawasaki dealer to buy this. The dealer installs it. It comes with a full Kawasaki warranty. The vehicle warranty is 6 months. If you buy an upgraded Kawasaki warranty, you also get that upgraded warranty on the product.
Awesome. What else can Kawi UTV fans expect from Hifonics?
From Hifonics, we've got a rear speaker kit option that's going to come out for this as well. It'll integrate to it, and then some top secret stuff coming down the road.
That's good. That's good. I mean, you got to keep them hungry, right?
Exactly. Keep everybody happy and hungry for more.
Awesome. Well, thank you for your time, and a lot of cool, exciting things. And this is just coming out 3 weeks.
Yeah.
These products are already out.
Yeah, the products were out the day the vehicle came out. The day the vehicle was launched to the dealers, Kawasaki was delivering them to the dealer showrooms, so it's pretty exciting.
And for more info, where can they go?
They go to Hifonics.com. Obviously, you can go to Kawasaki.com. There's reviews on the internet of the audio system and of the vehicle. You can learn a lot about it just about anywhere where you learn about UTVs.
Cool. Thanks for your time.
Thanks.
Appreciate it.